So I'm going to be showing you how to create something like this using AI. So to generate your own music with AI. So I'll go to YouTube and get a song that I want to copy from, okay? So this is a song I found, If I Could Have Anything by House Fires. So I'm going to just save up the link, the YouTube link, and then come to Chat GPT and write this prompt to them. Create another but similar lyrics using the video link below. It's a song by House Fires. It's titled so and so, and then you place the link to that video that you just got. So now see, AI has given me a similar lyrics, but of course not exactly like their own, right? So this is it. I'm going to be using these lyrics now. See the verse, chorus, verse 2, and up to how many. Can you imagine? AI is really something. So I'm going to copy this and go to Suno AI. Okay, Suno AI. So go to your Google now. That's where we're going to generate the music from. Okay, using that lyrics that Chat GPT gave us. So tap on Suno AI. So this is the Suno AI. But before then, let's go back to Chat GPT because I'm going to be asking us another question on Suno AI. I'll just show you the question and how we are going to get that now. Okay, give me just one style prompt for the lyrics above to be used in Suno AI. Okay, so it's going to give me that. All right, so you have given me a style prompt for Suno AI because Suno AI is going to ask us for a style prompt. Okay, and we might not know the answer, so we just have to use that. So now I'm on Suno AI. You remember you have to register with your email and all of that. Now that we are here, just tap on this side where I marked with the red arrow, and then it will bring you here. Then tap on that custom to on it, all right, because to be switched off, on it so that you can create your own music using your own lyrics. All right, so you must on that custom there. All right, so now I had to multitask because I didn't want to start going to ChatGPT, coming back and all of that. So I'm just see the verse here, so I'm just going to be copying the lyrics of that song. So I think I just copied only verse 1. So I just copied only verse 1 and then I placed it there where they said write your lyrics. Okay, so I just placed it there. Then I'm going to copy the style prompt as well because they asked a question about the style. So I'm just going to copy that as well. So I'm trying to see how to go. Okay, so style of music, enter your style of music. So I'm just going to be copying that here. All right, so this is my own style of music that I want. Okay, so after doing that, okay, let's see. After doing that, just keep scrolling down. Don't tell you to give a title, the title of the music, title of the song. Okay, so I'm just going to be writing upper room. Upper room. Okay, and do you know that is all? Like that is literally all. Just tap on create. Okay, tap on create and then it will be created. So let's tap on create and see what goes on. So create. Okay, let's see. It's creating. Okay, they say couldn't generate that tags contain what. Okay, I think they said the tags contain an artist name. So I had to delete that house fires there on the style of music. So let's go back and create again. Let's see. I think it's going to work now. Yay! And we have our music here. Let me play it. Let me play it.
May I walk like Mary, attuned to the whispers of your grace, holding fast to every promise, a faithful friend in your embrace. May I cherish your presence above all treasures I might gain. May I walk like Mary, attuned to the whispers of your grace, holding fast to every promise. A faithful friend in your embrace.
So they generated two music for us, but of course I'll be going with the first one. I prefer the first one compared to this last one that I just finished singing. So I'm going with the first one. So how to download? Just tap on that three dots close, that three dots there close to that arrow there. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to download the song. So like I said, we are going with the first one. I'm not going with the second one, and I prefer the female voice. So tap on that three dot there, and then just scroll down. Let's see. Okay, scroll down and tap on download. Okay, so now they said need commercial rights. Only pro and premier songs are eligible for commercial use. So if you want to use it for commercial use, just upgrade and then you'll be able to do that. But we can still download anyway. So just download it and then your song is ready. Now let's move on to image effects. We want to generate an image. Okay, the image of the person that's going to be singing the song. So go to image FX, as you can see right now. So now this is it. I'm just going to be fixing in my prompts. Okay, the prompt I got from ChatGPT, I'm going to fix that prompt in and you will see it. All right, so now let's go to settings. Down there, settings, let's see, we want to make sure it's on best quality. Yes, the landscape, we don't want it to be 16 by 9. Let's put as portrait 9 by 16. Okay, so let's use 9 by 16. Okay, so let's go back to the input. So once we've done our prompt, just tap on it to download. So this is the prompt, this is the image I generated. So generate an image of a very beautiful young black American lady, size 8 body size. You know, you describe her dress, what you want her to put on, and then holding a guitar and speaking into a mic. Okay, so after that we're going to go to Hedra AI to create the video. Would you like to create a video? You said you tap on video, you go to Hedra AI. You can see the Hedra up there, Hedra AI. Then tap on 9 by 16. Then go to character. Now this character, you want that the picture you want to create, right? You want to do the video with. Okay, so tap on character and then to take you to the picture. I'm going to choose one of this picture here that I generated. So that's it. And then audio script, that audio that you created, that your song that you created, right? So you are going to be using that. So I'm just going to tap on that and then that's the audio we're going to be using. All right, so now this is it. Now you write out a prompt here. What do you want? Like what do you want the image to do? Make the image leap and play guitar to the song with natural body movement. Okay, so let's do that and then it will begin to play. Let's load it. Okay, so preparing to generate your video. Remember to come to Hedra AI to generate your video. All right, using that image that you created with image effects. Okay, so this is really simple to do. It's not something difficult, it's not something hard. So now our image has been generated. So of course you can download when you move down close to that delete option. You can be able to download your video. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's how we should upgrade, but no, let's just go with the normal download. Let's just tap on download. Okay, and so I'm going to be playing the song. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to subscribe, okay, and try it out as well. Hear the song. Okay, so I'm just going to play the song right now and just listen and enjoy.